Okay, another beautiful car brought to you by Phillips & Co. Automotive. We've got a 2015 Honda Odyssey 7-seat automatic 4-cylinder sort of a mini wagon. Got the tow bar there, reverse camera. It's a nice grey colour, 101,000 Ks, alloy wheels, got the power sliding doors, and presenting in excellent condition. It also has the leather interior, electric sunroof, bit of fun. Let's have a look at the interior. So multi-function steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity. There's your dash. Sorry about the sun. Satellite navigation in your reverse camera. It is a climate AC. Leather interior, electric seats, side airbags. Gee, that's in good nick. So is the front passenger. Power sliding door. Couple of seats there. And then you've got 3 in the back. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call, 9939 0227.